a gloomy day. Not that bad. It's like 6:44 right now. Hopefully we won't be late. So we'll see how it's gonna be like. See you later. So we're here. That's the boat that we're gonna take to Victoria Island. It's gonna be a 3 hours ferry ride. 3 hours ferry ride to Victoria. Hopefully everything's gonna be smooth. So we'll see. We're checking our bags already. Hopefully the guy's not lying to me, because I read online. Check in. If you check in your bags, it will take you longer to go out.
There's nothing much you can do if you check it back.
Yeah, true. Oh, I can't wait for the view.
Do you want to get something from...
Just got off.
You just slowly turn. You turn too fast, your video will come out.
I'm dizzy. I wanna emphasize the dizziness. You can see.
That's pretty.
Yeah. You want a picture? How do you like this place so far?
Oh, I love it.
It's like, I feel like we're in, we're in another country. But I didn't expect Canada to be this beautiful.
It's a different feel. It has like some sort of a British feel.
Yeah.
Totally different than American.
It's so, I don't know,
European
organized and clean and beautiful and greenish. So we're at what's it called?
Bluefish, red fish.
Bluefish,
Oh, red fish, bluefish.
Red fish, bluefish. And we
Selling
have the
fish and
cup of
chips.
chowder. And then we got ginger ale. And let's see. With the ocean view.
Not exactly. Inner harbor.
Inner harbor view. Has corn and stuff in there. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Let's try to see if it's good.
What does it do?
Tastes like there's curry in there.
Really?
Yeah, like Thai curry.
Well, you have some
Okay.
ginger ale.
Thank you.
Are you gonna post this on YouTube?
Okay. What we have here is a sandwich, salmon sandwich. That's what it it is. And then this is fish and chip. Cod with tartar sauce.
What did she do? Look at that. This is the Legislature Assembly building of Victoria.
The little taxi water. So cute.
And this one is the Empress Hotel.
I wonder how much per person.
It's a landmark in Victoria. And this is the visitor center.
I feel like I'm dreaming
Why?
because I'm so drugged up right now with the drowsy. What's that drug called again?
Motion sickness.
The motion sickness drug. So I feel like I'm walking through my dream right now.
You're not. This is real.
That's so sexy and so cute. I would love to go, but then from my experience so far, being on a ferry, no. What's this building called again?
This is the official name of the Legislative Assembly.
This is British Columbia Parliament building.
I'm still recording, honey.
Right now, we're waiting to go to a tour for
Parliament building.
the Parliament building
Inside the Parliament building.
inside. So we'll see.
It's the seat of our provincial government for the whole province of British Columbia. But we will begin our tour actually at this photograph of the exterior of the buildings, which was taken in 1897, the year the buildings were completed. So in the foreground of the photograph, you can see the buildings, the administrative buildings that were here before the current buildings we see today. And in the early 1890s, it was decided that our provincial population had grown, government had grown, and it was time for something grander and more permanent than the existing buildings. So a contest was held to design our new Parliament building.
This is our hotel room.
Where's the car key?
On the table, honey. Under the book. Sink. Bedroom. Balcony. We're getting Italian food pasta right now, and the line is really long. You can see it.
It's cheaper than your
We are at the Italian restaurant called Bellisi. Waited like an hour, so we'll see how's the food.
Better be good.
Yeah, better be good. Yummy. So, what was your rating of the food?
Rating?
Yeah.
Yeah, my wife's better.
Whatever.
Oh,
You
what
like
pasta?
that one pasta, the one that I had?
Yeah, but then I don't think you cooked that for me.
I do, but not
When?
the same exact style. I did once. Okay, we're gonna go to museum right now, so. Giant totem. So tall. Beautiful. Then that's the view of the ocean. Look at all these chocolate something. Looks so good. We got the strawberry cheesecake. Honey, the bread pudding looks so good. I think when I'm leaving tomorrow, I'm gonna come here and get all the dessert. Only one side.
I don't know.
Good morning.
Morning.
We're gonna go to the castle.
I forgot the name.
Why is that castle special?
It was just a rich man, that the first millionaire in Victoria, that used to be his residence.
Okay. So we're gonna go to that castle by taking the bus. So we'll see you there.
This is fun.
Bye.
We should have got a fork.
Oh yeah. This is a scone, vegetarian scone. Looks good. We are here at the castle.
Cradle Lodge.
Crater Lodge. Took the bus 15 from downtown.
It's only like, what, 5 minutes?
Yeah, so we took bus 15 from downtown, and it was like 5 minutes, and we walk here. I wonder how much is a ticket to get in.
This castle is definitely bigger than the pit.
right here. It's on the left side of the room. It's pretty visible. It's lighter side of stairs. So up one way, down the other. That will take you to the second half of the house on the back of the map here.
Okay.
Yeah. When you're in the house, please don't touch anything except for the handrails. Flash photography is totally fine. And washrooms on the second floor.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Alright, thank you.
Otherwise, yeah.
Me on the right. Turn.
On the right.
So you get asked a lot of the same questions here. So try and remember as many of them as you can, and you kind of just develop a script in your head from answering it so much. Who's interested? I can talk about it.
What do you think of the castle?
It's really a ginormous castle,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, I can feel luxurious vibe. The dumb mirrors in it.
We're at the Bushard
Bouchard
Garden right now. So, and then we're gonna eat some sandwiches. And then we're gonna get in and explore the garden.
Yeah, it looks like a big garden. They have Italian garden,
They have the chess area over there.
Japanese
The
garden,
giant chess.
totem poles,
So,
sunken garden.
see you later. Bye. Bushard Garden.
If I can figure out which flowers.
It's beautiful. Oh, there's ice cream. Let's get ice cream. Where's the line? The other end, honey.
Well, seriously. You want sorbet or you want gelato?
It's okay. Yeah, can I get the single scoop for maple walnut?
If I was that kid's dad, I would be like, what did you do to my kid? So my beautiful lady is eating her maple walnut gelato.
Sorbet gelato.
This is the Italian theme garden.
Where did you buy the ice cream?
Right there. Like a little bamboo forest.
It's very creepy.
It's like a bamboo forest. Ooh. This is like one of those Japanese ghost story, scary movie. It's beautiful though. Huh? Hey! You!
Wanna go down?
Yeah. Say that again?
It's sunken garden. It's below sea level. It's beautiful. Please stand here. Take one
Huh?
turn around.
Okay. What did you say again?
What did you say earlier?
No, what did you say?
No, what did
I
you-
say the flower was beautiful.
You're more beautiful.
Aw. Thank you, I know. Oh no, I mean, yes.
It's okay.
Thank you, honey.
Oh, honey,
What?
you know why this is a sunken garden?
Yes.
This is probably the original bushart garden. This is, remember, they tried to beautify the quarry.
This is lobster taco. Looks so good. So what we have here is New York steak, shrimp, mashed potato, and Haitian has jasmine rice and scallops. The British style.
No, British Columbia style.
Okay. British Columbia style. Yummy. You gotta eat it.
Oh, yeah, you can't have
Let me
that.
try this.
This is, they have bacon in it.
This is a scallop. Goodness. It's really good.
You want to go to the harbor?
Harbor? Why? What for?
Take a last look at the Parliament.
Tomorrow.
It's nighttime.
I need to go shopping. What do you think of the Nautica restaurant?
Delicious.
Nautico Nelly's. Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, I like
The food was really delicious.
And the scallop they have.
The shrimp is like I've never tasted that before. Usually it's butter and garlic shrimp and savory. This one has really strong sweet flavor. It's not like this. It just I can't identify it. It's really good, so highly recommend.
I'm sure you can do it at night class. I don't think I can finish it.
Yeah.
It's packaged over.
Red. I don't know, it kind of seems like setting him up to take over the...
What do you think of the food?
It's good.
We just had breakfast. It was so good. One of the best pancakes. I don't usually eat breakfast for lunch. Oh, for pancake for breakfast. Oh, it's cold. Okay, we're gonna go home now. Catch the ferry. Go back to Seattle and then go back to Portland. See you later.